So I have pre twisted all of my hair all over. I'm doing the rubber band method box braids, and so some of the times when I do rubber band box braids, and I go ahead and wrap the hair around, do my 3-strand method, sometimes you can still see the rubber band. So what I'm gonna do is show you guys how to hide that rubber band in case it shows through a little bit using the crochet needle. Make sure that your rubber bands are not too tight because it will pull and it'll hurt. So pull, put your latchet through, put your hair through. You're gonna pull out one end. Okay. So it should look something like this right here. From there, you take your next piece of hair, and I split it to where I have even pieces. This one piece is going to equal each end of this piece, these two pieces. So it'll be even. Actually, it's these two, split these two. And once you get to braiding, I'm gonna cover. Cover, put that under. And so you don't see the rubber band, you do see the knot. I'm using edge control so that my hair blends. These two will not be equal in size whenever you pull them apart, because once the smaller section is doubled, it's gonna act as one side. Jalen? So again, we're gonna take our crochet needle and put it through. is going to be covered by this. Take these two pieces and separate them here. Use edge control. And break them. Hey y'all, hey! So this is my final look on the box braids. I've actually had them in for about 3 weeks, and I just did a touch up on them. So if you guys would like to see a more in-depth tutorial on that crochet box braid method, make sure you comment below and subscribe. I am also going to eventually do a tutorial on how to touch up your box braids, your crochet box braids, without actually having to take them down. So if you would like to see that, make sure you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you would like to see a more in-depth tutorial, make sure you go ahead and comment below, let me know, and we'll get it going for you. Also, I have a couple of DIY projects coming up, so make sure you subscribe so you can catch those as well.